Hey everyone, this is Arun and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm discussing about the payroll dashboard that I've created using Excel formulas and functions. Here we have a payroll dashboard which provides us the total payroll cost, and we have a total gross pay, then we have a total net pay, and all these cards are built up automatically, and the numbers are also populated automatically. So this is the dashboard which is showing payroll by department for the selected period. So we have selected the period from 1st of Feb 2026 to 15th of Feb 2026. And then we have the payroll by department. Then this chart shows us the payroll trend by pay period for gross payroll and net payroll. Then we have gross pay for the selected period. So where the gross pay, we have 6% for pension, insurance, and others. Then 34% is for taxes. Then the 70% is the net pay for overall this chart. This chart is taking values from all these below listed tables, and these tables are also populating the data using formulas from the other sheets. So this is a gross pay chart, and then we have our mix. So hours mix is we have a sick, then holidays, then vacation, then double time, overtime, and regular. So this charts provides us the number of hours for different categories. And these are the tables which are providing the information more in detailed manner. So we have a department, then all of the gross pay according to the department, and we have a period, then a gross payroll and net payroll accordingly. Then we have the components and the amount associated for every component. So this is basically the table which is providing the information for what we have displayed in this charts, and similarly for the hours type. So this is the dashboard. Now we have different sheets which are gathering the data. Let me show you one by one. So this is our employee database. We are just writing the employee ID, an employee name, department, position, and then the pay type. This one is a drop down. So pay type may be salary or hourly basis. Then if we have a salary, then we are just providing the salary. Otherwise, if we're selecting the drop down as hourly, then we are just putting the hourly rates. This one is effective date, so it's calculating automatically. We have used a formula over here. So effective hourly rate, then the tax status, and all these columns which are associated for this employee database. So we can just make the data entry for this sheet. And similarly for the time entry. So it's for every employee, and you can just enter the data over here. Then we have a payroll calculator sheet as well, which calculates the payroll for every employee. Now here we are just adding the data, and whatever the data that we have added in the employee sheet and time entry. So this sheet will generate automatically because we have inputted the formulas in every column. If you can see, every cell has its own formula. So these all are the gross pay, federal tax, state tax, So this sheet is automatically gets calculated. The yellow columns we are just making as a data entry for manual things. So if we have any manual data here, can just put over here. Then this net pay is also gets calculated automatically. This one is our other deductions, so we can just make um, our own customized column for the other deductions. And once we fill on the values, the total deductions will get summed, and then this sheet will get calculated automatically as well. So overall, this payroll calculator is providing the value from different sheets that we already make the data. Then this sheet provides us the payroll summary for gross pay department wise, any holiday, then the vacation. This one is a column which provides us the net pay and the pay date. So these values are we are just entering in the settings setting sheet. So here we just need to provide our company name, address, city, zip, then the year, then the pay frequency, and pay periods per year. So these all are the information. It's a one-time data entry we just need to do so that the information will get captured in different sheets automatically. Now here we can just edit this one as well. So if we are using year 2026, so we just need to maintain, we need to update the dates, and accordingly they will get updated in the sheets. And we also can maintain different workbooks for different year as well. We just need to edit the calendar here. Then here, this one is the drop down values. We can add or edit the drop down values here, and they will get updated on the different sheets. Now, this one is the payroll summary. Then we have similarly pay slip as well. So this is just an example pay slip that I'm showing to you, because this one we can just select the employee ID and this data will get updated automatically. We can customize this payroll pay slip according to your needs. If you need something else in your format, so you can just change the format as well. We can add a logo, and we can update the address as well, and we can as well update these column headers as well. So we just need to select the employee ID, and this payroll pay slip will get updated automatically, and we can just take a print by Control P. This one is printed automatically. So this is all what in this video. I hope you like this video, and I would be more happy if you have any queries for this template, the semi-monthly payroll calculator template. And if you need some customizations in building this file according to your own needs, so you can reach me out over my email address or my WhatsApp number, which I will be sharing you in the description part of this video. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like this video. You can reach me out whenever you like, and we can discuss upon the changes, or maybe this for Excel file as well. And I hope we will talk soon for any customizations or to get this file. So thank you, and have a great day. Take care. Bye.